This is the flooded area of 2nd Street and Clay in Jasper. Second Street turns right up here at the corner past that building right there, and then it goes over to where the Beeler's IGA is located in Jasper. The flooding goes over a ways, and then there's a hill and it stops. This is one of the softball fields behind 5th Street School here in Jasper. The softball field is almost completely flooded. Just right up at the home base is a little grass showing. And then over here behind the school, which here's the back of the school, back over here is a small playground that is totally flooded. The kids haven't been allowed to play in it for a few days. This is our local Beeler's IGA in Jasper, and if you come down to Beeler's and you drive past Beeler's, right here's Fuzzy's. It's a little arcade pizza place, and you'll see there are road closed signs because the flooding. Back here, right over here, is that softball field I just showed you from another side. And then on the other side of this road, right, but this goes back to where I showed you 2nd and Clay Street a while ago, a minute ago. I'm on Kellerville Road. This is the road that we normally take to get out to my home. Here at the corner of Kellerville and Kathy Lane. As you can see, Kathy Lane turns to the left right there where that sign was. And then also, as you can see, they have a net across the road up into the water here to stop people, because last week 2 people tried to drive through that water